Hello student, Hemant sir is here again. So we have started our chapter of science. Okay, that chapter is named Conservation of Plant and Animal. Okay, so in this chapter we have already covered about what is conservation of plant and animal. We already we already covered about what is ecosystem, biodiversity, and how to conserve the biodiversity. We have already understood about the flora and fauna also. Okay, so we are going to understand today about the reserve area which is provided by the government in order to protect the biodiversity. Okay, so let me share the screen by which you can see the content whatever we have made for you. Okay, so let me share the screen first. Okay, so here we have the content that we have to discuss today about the protection or protected area for the conservation of plant and animal. Okay, so what is protected area that we have to understand? Is it? So what is protected area? The protected area which is provided for the life essentials. Okay, for generally those animal and plant they are going to be extinct in future time. Okay, so this is the area which is provided by the government in India level or all over the world level so that those species of the plant and animal can be conserved. They are going to be extinct in like in coming future. Okay, that we have to protect them. Okay, so let's discuss what do we have in our notes here. So protected area which provide the life essential, they protect the natural resources that are critical to many people on the earth. Okay, so we have to conserve those critically critical life like plant as well as some animals. Okay, we have to protect them by providing them the protected area, which is nothing but like forest reserve, we have wildlife sanctuaries, we have national park, we have zoological park and botanical garden we have. Okay, so these are nothing but the reserve areas where some plant and animal can be conserved. Within this area, the genetic diversity is permitted to evolve in response to the natural selection process. Okay, of the pressure. That means those areas which are going to be protected for the particular species of the plant or animal so that they are not going to get hunted by the people. Okay, so that area will be restricted for other, but which is going to be like providing habitat for those organisms, maybe plant or animal, they are going to be extinct in future time. Okay, so the genetic resources are the source of many new products. Is it or not? Yes. Okay. In 2021, 7 countries, they are also known as the G7. Okay. They pledge to protect and preserve at least 30% of the world land and 30% of the world ocean area. Okay, to hold or to provide habitat for the biodiversity, which is going to be lost in future time. Okay, so 30% of the land area and 30% of the ocean area is being conserved for them. Protected areas are essential for the biodiversity conservation. Okay, so by providing this protected area, biodiversity can be conserved, which is going to be extinct. Okay, we can protect them from being extinct, often providing the habitat and protection from the hunting and threatened to the endangered species. Okay, so where those persons or maybe the group of people they are going to be protected by them which were get hunted. Okay, like people they used to hunt some animal of the animal on the jungle, is it? So we had to prevent them from being hunting. Okay, that's why these areas are being reserved for those plant and animal they can extinct in future time. Okay, so we have like protected area which include the forest reserve. Okay, we have wildlife sanctuaries, then we have national park, we have zoological park and botanical garden. Okay, so these are the protected area which are provided by the India as well as from the world also. Okay, so here we have the world map and it shows that that particular area, okay, which one, which is looking like dark one, okay, which has been like given protected area for the plant and animal, they can extinct in future time. So that area is going to be shelter for them. Okay, so I want you everyone to take a screenshot for that because it is very important beta. You have to know that data. Okay, G7 countries have provided about 30% of the land area and 30% of the ocean area where no hunting activity going to be takes place by the people. Okay, yeah. So take a screenshot everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the reserve forest, which is being provided by the government of India or maybe the at different countries also. They are providing that particular habitat area where animal and plant can be conserved. Okay, so reserve forests are nothing but the protected okay, they are nothing but the protected jungle or forest which are going to be provided for those animal and plant which can be conserved or which can be extinct in future time. Okay, so it is the area which is provided by those vulnerable species of the plant and animal. Okay, so they can be protected there. Okay, so the protects forest with the natural habitat that has a high degree of protection from any kind of hunting and poaching. You know what is hunting and poaching? So let's discuss here. The hunters are hunting on private property without permission from the owner. Okay, this is called as beta hunting. And the animal and like maybe animal part and plant which are sold for benefit. Like generally you can see in the diagram, these are nothing but the outer teeth of the elephant. Okay, then here we have these are the teeth as well as the horn of the rhino. Here we have the skin of the tiger, panther, okay, and sometimes the skin of lion also been sold. Okay, and here you can see that the horns of deer is also being sold for the personal benefit. Okay, so these are nothing but the hunting and poaching. Okay, hunting is the act of pursuing a living things for food or gain or trade. Okay, means what is the meaning of hunting? Hunting means you can you can rear the wild animal with you or you can sell them to the different person for your personal benefit. Okay, and poaching is the illegal taking and killing of the wild plant and animals for their personal benefit. Okay, like they are going to sell the skin of the lion. Okay, so they will first hunt the lion and then its skin can they are going to sell to the different people in different countries also. Okay, so this is all about the hunting and poaching beta. So what is poaching? It is the illegal activity of killing and taking and killing of the wild plants and animals. Okay, is nothing but the hunting and poaching. Okay, everyone. So I want again you have to take a screenshot for that. Yeah. Okay. So student, here we have completed our today's session. We will have like one more video. In one video we are going to complete our this chapter. Okay, and after that I will provide you the notes also. Okay, and along with the assignment. So you have to complete that assignment whenever your deadline is. Okay, student. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, वीडियो के एंड में आपको कमेंट्स करके बताना है। ओके, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज रिलेटेड दिस पॉइंट, then do ask the question and feel free to ask the question. Okay, so students, bye for now.